Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. How long has it been? I'd have to go back and look the last time I did a Hot Wheels unboxing, but it has been a long time. This is the 2020 M case. I think it's US. We're going to find out here shortly once I open it up. But yeah, there's understandably been some production lags because of COVID-19. Everything that was happening in March and April, this is the delays we're seeing now between the L and now the M case, and the N coming up very, very soon. Mattel actually sent this case to me. I typically get them from A&J Toys, and I will be getting them from A&J Toys, and as soon as they get theirs for sale so you can buy them, I will make sure you know about that. They'll probably be sending me the whatever is the opposite case of this one, and I'll make sure to get the word out when those cases are available, and it should be very, very soon. I know we've seen some, I'm going to cut this open here. I know we've seen some if folks in Malaysia do these unboxings already. It's already been a while. I think they're already on N's. N as in Nancy. But in this case, we're going to be, this is kind of what the U.S. schedule is. This came from the U.S. distribution center. So very, very excited to finally be opening up some new stuff. Check out some new models. See what we should be looking for. I actually, Mattel provided this Super a long, long time ago. I think this is the correct Super. I will find out very, very soon, right? Yeah, in fact, I think there's the regular right there. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Man, I got to remember what was in the L case. I know that the top two were in the L case because I've got them already. The Kia Stinger GT and the TV series Batmobile. Obviously, this is the regular one, not the Hot Wheels ID. I doubt that's going to be in this case. Plus the Rip Rod. Now I know this is going to be the U.S. case. Coding, I always forget the codes, and you guys are good to remind me. New for 2020, whenever you see that on a new model, it means it's the U.S. case. So maybe we'll get the international case from A&J Toys. All right, here we go. 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35. Really, really excited about this one. And there's two of them, and there's a Geoterra in the middle. I think that's new too. So both of these are new models. I'll get back to the whole swing of things with these unboxings, meaning we'll do this unboxing today, and then I will do a highlight video where we will open up like the Super, and if there's a treasure hunt and all that kind of stuff. That will be coming, right? Dodge Charger Drift in Police Interceptor in blue. Looks really nice. Clip Rod, which is a money clip. And then the recolor of the 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. 65 Ford Galaxy. So there you are. So this is the regular version. This is the Super. Green rims on the Super. Green rims on the regular. And this is obviously what would call a Spectraflame gunmetal or something like that. And that one, I guess you'd call it dark gray, maybe black. Who knows? But we'll open both of those up. Roger Dodger and the Baja truck. Surf and Turf in this mint green, which is awesome. Corvette C7 Z06. This is a recolor of this isn't the convertible. The convertible is the new model. This one is a recolor in white, right? I don't have that one yet. Maybe that's from the last case too. I believe the Chevy Impala is from the last case as well. All right, another new model to be excited about. Hot Wheels Armored Truck. That's not the one I was talking about. Talking about this one, the 17 Lamborghini Euros. Hopefully I'm saying that right. They did the concept. This is the actual production vehicle. Two of those, so we'll definitely open that one up, right? And compare it. I think I have at least one of the old one. All right. Astana Hoto. This is from the Fast and Furious Spy Racer series. They had that other one earlier. Don't know too much about it, but I think it's been a long time since we've seen that large lace wheel. So maybe they've brought that one back. That's kind of nice to see. So that's a new model. Recolor of the 92 Ford Mustang, and then another TV series Batmobile, which is cool. Another Batmobile in kind of a chrome color. I think it's even got some like rainbow-ish stuff going on the top. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Holdover from the last case, the Land Rover Defender 90, which I really, really dig. And then the recolor of the Alpine A110 Cup. This beautiful outside. I was excited to be doing an outdoor unboxing because we've got some mild, was rainy earlier. 49 Merc, look at that. Been a while since I think we've seen that casting too, and that one looks great. I'll put that in the highlight video. Another holder, the 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302, and then another Astana holder. This one is going to be a Zamak, right? And it's pretty sweet. A lot of people are really into that one for good reason. Okay, Alpha Pursuit, we've seen that one. I think we've seen the 42 Willys. MB Jeep, we've also seen the 92 BMW M3 and the police deco. Looks good. And to finish off this case, Rip Rod, Chevy Impala, not finish off the case, and the Clip Rod, finish off this first 36. Whoa, we're going to lose some. Sense something falling. Let's see if we have a little disaster on our hands. Corvette, another Mazda RX-7. I will take it. 3 of those is fine. And the Pedal de Metal. Been a while since we've seen that one before. I don't remember. Okay, let's move these off to the side. Let's see what's going on down here. Looks like a stack of cars that wants to fall over. And we might let them. All right. Custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. I did the Hot Wheels ID showcase on this casting. That Falcon livery is a really, really cool one. New model speed driver. I think we've seen that one, right? You can put a screwdriver in it. I guess like a drill bit or something. I don't know. And the Hot Wheels armored truck. I'm gonna put these over here. Put these right. You don't even see what's going on. I'm just trying to keep myself organized. Turbo Rooster, 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302, and the Alpine A110 Cup again. Ah, 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Recolor of the Tesla Model 3 in blue. I didn't even know it was going to be in blue. So usually you see that. Maybe I just missed it. Oh, that looks cool. Nice color. Really nice color. Really dig that Mazda as well. And then this is new from the not happening Tokyo Olympics. The Surf's Up. That's cool. That's a cool one. If you're into that sort of thing. Turbone charged 19 Ford Ranger Raptor in red. Can't remember if that's a recolor or not. Looks, maybe it is. It's really cool. And then the 52 Chevy in blue. Mighty Max Garage. Forward Force 52 Chevy. And this is what really makes you remember how long it's been. I mean, this is from the L case, right? When we showcased this model and how it's been shrunk down and all that stuff. And it seems like that was like 9 years ago. Doesn't it? All right, Linster prototype. How about this? The 73 Ford Falcon XB making a return. You Australian collectors, that's nice to see, right? Excited to see that one come back. And then the Forward Force. As far as I know, I haven't encountered the treasure hunt unless you guys know, and let me know if I have. Roger Dodger, again, the recolor. There's the Tesla again. How about this? The Sandblaster in Borla Deco. It's been modified a little bit, a little more metal, a little less plastic in the body. Fewer pieces, right? And that going all black on those rims looks nice. Sorry for the glare. I start staring at it. I don't realize there's a glare in the camera. That one's nice. We'll put that in the highlight video. Another Miata. Mod Rod recolor and the Moto Wing. Mod Rod's cool. A lot of people dig that one. Fast Felion, whatever. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect and a Paramedic deco, and then the Donut Drifter. Another Beamer. No complaints. Slide Kick and the Alpha Pursuit. Mountain Mauler, 69 Chevy pickup. Oh, there's the Mountain Mauler. 69 Chevy pickup. And the Volkswagen Baja Bug. And finally, and I'm happy to see this because it was not in the cases that I opened. We have a new casting alert. So here's the 52 Hudson recolor in purple. But this one, I think this one was showing up in the L cases, but it didn't show up in the L cases that I had. So this is the 84 Pontiac Firebird. So this is the third licensed new model in here. The Lamborghini, the Mazda RX-7, and now the Pontiac Firebird, the 84 Pontiac Firebird. So nice to see that one. And then the custom Ford Maverick. There we are. 2020 M case. Nice to have it. Maybe we're returning a little bit to normal, right? That would be exciting. We'll have the end case to follow up on. I think there's some good stuff in there too based on some of the unboxings I've seen. You guys tell me what models you like. I'll pick the highlights for me and do a highlight video here very soon, and we'll get that super treasure hunt opened. All right, guys. Tell me what you think. Bye.